Tired of looking through those drawers to find what you're looking for? Marie Kondo's Konmari method of folding can help you get organized so you can find what you need in a hurry. Hi, and welcome to Just 2020, where today we are going to be Konmari folding ladies' swim shorts. Let me put this up, because otherwise it's not a decent square. One more. There. Since we're on a slippy surface, sometimes a box can help. You can set it underneath if you had two different ones that you wear with it. The snug swimsuit bottom that is still shorts. Since we have a detail here, we're going to flip it so we can show off that detail. So that stays down. This is all bulky and awkward. We're going to fold it so that it goes nice and square. Fold it one more time. And then, will it work this way? Any bikini top inside, if you wanted to store them that way. Or it could be in a row. These other ones. These go in. Just fold it over. It sticks out, so it's got to come in to be flat, and then be folded once, twice. Make sure this doesn't stick out funny. And that wavy little detail helps us identify. And you can see that this is the pocketed. Too tall. There's another way of doing it, depending on the style. Each one seems to be different. Fold this part in, fold to the waistline, and fold in half. If you have a few of them, you can alternate with waistbands. And that helps you see which one is which. Bottoms, tops and bottoms, tops.